Hello students, we are here to study lesson number 8, multiples and factors. In this lesson, first of all, we will study about factors. See here, factors are also called as divisors. Factors are also called as divisors. Now, to understand how to write the factors of given number, let's take one example. Suppose we have to write the factor of 12. Okay, so let's start. First factor of 12 is 1. Every number's factor, 1 is a factor of every number, you have to remember. So whenever you are writing factors of given number, always start with 1. After 1, the next number is 2. 2 is a factor of 12 because in the table of 2, you know that in the table of 2, 12 is there. Means we can divide 12 by 2 completely with 0 as a remainder. So we can say 2 is a factor or divisor of 12. After 2, 3 is there. 3 is also factor or divisor of 12 because in the table of 3, 12 is there. Or we can say that to the 12 we can divide by 3 completely with remainder as a 0. The next number is 4. 4 is a factor of 12. Means in the table of 4, 12 is there. And with the remainder as a 0. When you divide 12 by 4, we get remainder as a 0. So we can say that 4 is divisor of 12. Now after 4, next number is 5. Let's check, is the 5 factor of 12? See, we will divide 12 by 5. You know that table of 5. 5 2s are 10. So 12 minus 10 is 2. Here you can see that. Here remainder is 2. It is not 0. Whenever it is 0, we can say that it gets completely divided by 5. But here remainder is there 2. So 5 is not factor of 12. So let's go to the next 6. 6 is a factor of 12 or divisor of 12. Let's check. 12 is divided by 6. 6 2s are 12. So you can see that 12 minus 12 is 0. You know that here remainder is 0. So we can say that 6 is divisor of 12 or factor of 12. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 are not factor of 12. And the last factor of 12 is 12. 12 ones are 12. So 12 is a last factor of 12. And you have to remember that factors are never greater than the number itself. Let's start practice set 32. Question number 1 is write the factors of the following numbers. So let's write one. First number is 8. Now let's write factor. You know that always factors start with 1. 1 is a factor of 8. After 1, 2. 2 is a factor of 8 because in the table of 2, you know 8 is there. Or 8 we can divide by 2 8 we can divide by 2 completely with remainder as a 0. Then 3 is not factor of 8. Then 4 is a factor of 8 because in the table of 4 8 is there. And we can say that we can divide 8 by 4 completely with remainder as 0. After 4, 5 is not factor, 6 is not factor, 7 is not factor, 8 is a factor of 8. Okay, now next number is 5. Factors of 5 are 1 and 5 only. You know that 5 is in table of 1 and 5 only. Then next is 14. 1 is factor of 14. After 1, 2. In the table of 2, 14 is there. So 2 is factor of 14. 3 is not factor of 14. 3, 4, 5, 6 is not factor of, are not factors of 14. Then 7 is factor of 14 because in the table of 7, 14 is there. You know that. And last one is 14 itself. 14 is a factor of 14. Now next number is 10. So first 1 is factor of 10, then 2, 3 is not factor of 10 because in the table of 3 10 is not there. 4 is not factor of 10. 5 is factor of 10 because in the table of 5 10 is there. 6 is not factor of 10, 7 is not, 8 is not, 9 is not, 10. 10 is a factor of 10. Now next is 7. 7 factor of 7 are 1 and 7 only. Now 22. 1 is factor of 22, 2 is factor of 22. After 2, 11. In the table of 11, 22 is there. So 11 is factor of 22. And after 11, 22 is factor of 22. Then next is 25. 1 is factor of 25. 5 is the factor of 25 or divisor of 25 and 25 itself. So factors of 25 are 1, 5, 25. Now let's go to 32. 32, 1 is factor of 32, 2 is factor of 32, because 232 we can divide. See here, if you divide 32 by 2, 2 ones are 2, 1 left, take this 2 downside, it becomes 12, 2 6 are 12, 12 minus 12 0, it means 2 we can divide 32 by 2 completely with remainder as 0. So we can say that 2 is divisor or factor of 32. Then 3 is not factor of 32. 4 is factor of 32. 5 is not factor of 32. 6 is not factor of 32. 7 is not factor of 32. Then 8 in the table of 8 32 is there. 8 4s are 32. So 8 is factor of 32, and after 8 16. In the table of 16 also 32 is there. 16 2s are 32. So 16 is factor of 32, and after 16 32 is factor of 32. Okay, and last one is 33. 1 is factor of 33, 3 is factor of 33, 11 is factor of 33, and after 11 33 is factor of 33. Okay, here we have completed practice set 32. Thank you, students.